Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today, we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on April 14th, 2026, about 3 days ago. Well, this research introduces a framework that successfully reduced the success rate of past tense jailbreaking attacks on Llama 3.1 from 42% down to only 8%. The paper is titled, ASGuard, Activation Scaling Guard to Mitigate Targeted Jailbreaking Attack. And as we'll see later, the implications for how we train large language models are quite significant. For those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Alright, Figure 1 illustrates the 3 main steps of the ASGuard framework. Step 1 involves circuit analysis, identifying the specific internal paths that cause a behavior to find attention heads vulnerable to tense-based attacks. In Step 2, the researchers train a channel-wise scaling vector, which acts like a volume knob to adjust the strength of internal signals. Finally, Step 3 uses preventative fine-tuning to create more robust refusal routes before the scaling vector is eventually detached. So, while Figure 1 outlined the steps, Table 1 summarizes the main results across 4 different large language models. This comparison shows that ASGuard consistently lowers the attack success rate, which measures how often a jailbreak attempt succeeds without hurting general benchmark scores. On the Llama 3.1 model, the rate falls from 42% to only 8%. ASGuard also achieves the highest overall scores, proving it effectively balances safety with utility. Well, Figure 2 visualizes the Pareto frontier, which is a graph showing the best possible balance between 2 competing goals. The horizontal axis measures how much the attack success rate was reduced, while the vertical axis shows the robustness score. Across all 4 large language models, the gray triangle for ASGuard consistently sits on the upper right edge. This position is significant because it indicates ASGuard provides a superior trade-off, maintaining high utility, while other methods like Circuit Breaker often suffer a collapse in robustness. Figure 3 now investigates the specific attention heads that act as internal tense detectors. A linear probe is a simple mathematical tool used to check if a model's internal signals contain specific information. As shown in Panel A, several heads show high classification accuracy, which confirms they specialize in identifying linguistic tense. Then, Panel B displays a clear separation between distributions for past and present prompts in layer 13 head 25, proving its specialized function. So, ASGuard proves that surgical, mechanistic interventions can fix specific safety gaps, like tense-based jailbreaking, without the blunt force of broad retraining. These results show how understanding model internals leads to more reliable safety alignment while keeping large language models fully functional. That's it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Thanks for listening.